To fulfill the criterion of this project, we had to select a company of our interest that has dynamic web pages. The company we decided to choose was UPS. We explored their website carefully and looked in detail at the information systems they use in their business. Before studying in detail the information systems UPS use and how they use them, it is important to understand the UPS business model in order to gain an understanding of their business activities. UPS deliver packages to all over the United States and the majority of the European continent. There is more to UPS's service than just picking up and delivering packages and letters. A lot happens before, during, and after the picking up and delivering processes. The sorting process which UPS use is vital to the business. The sorting process is totally automated and organizes the letters and packages. When a customer wants to send something using UPS, they go to the UPS website, enter the required information such as pickup address and drop-off address, etc. They then print out smart labels and arrange a pickup time with UPS. Alternatively, instead of arranging a pickup online, they can drop the package off to UPS, and a UPS employee will print the smart label for them. The smart labels have barcodes on them. Just by scanning the barcode, information can be accessed such as where the package was picked up and where it needs to be delivered. UPS employees use wireless scanners, which communicate using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to scan the smart labels and packages. This enables them to sort the items correctly and efficiently. The barcodes on the smart labels also enable customers to track the progress of their packages, and they have access to real-time updates. If the packages need to be sent by air, they are loaded into cargo containers, which go inside the airplane. The airplane then goes to a large sorting facility, and from here, the packages are sent to regional sorting facilities, which obviously depend on the end destination of the package. Next, the package will be loaded into the famous UPS truck, and the driver will drop off the package to the address contained in the barcode of the smart label. The drivers have a Delivery Information Acquisition Device, or DIAD, which is a computer that can access information about the package by scanning the barcode. When the driver delivers the package, the customer receiving the package is required to sign the DIAD.
UPS have obtained competitive advantage in the courier market by introducing the Delivery Information Acquisition Device, also known as the DIAD. The DIAD was introduced in 1990. When it was first introduced, it provided delivery information, scanned barcodes, and had 0.75 megabytes of memory. Since then, it has been upgraded to include more memory, a backlight, and two-way communication. The most recent upgrade came in 2004, when the DIAD Model 4 was released. UPS ensured the latest device included Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPRS, GPS, and a major memory boost. This upgrade allowed the driver additional wireless connectivity options, as the driver may not always be in a surrounding that can provide cellular signal. All these additional features help to increase overall customer service standards. The DIAD Model 4 has essentially allowed UPS to be one of the most technologically advanced courier services by integrating data collection, transmission technologies, and digital signature capture all into one device. Another information system which aids UPS in gaining a competitive advantage is the use of MaxiCode. UPS developed MaxiCode to help them identify, follow up, and sort parcels more quickly and efficiently. MaxiCode works using the same principles as the barcode system. However, the MaxiCode symbol shown in the picture on the slide isn't referred to as a barcode. It is known as a UPS code or a target. MaxiCode is a very useful tool for UPS. It is very compact code, so it makes it more efficient to use. It's also a very safe and secure code. This is important because UPS could potentially be holding sensitive data about millions of people at any one time. The final advantage MaxiCode brings is its versatility. The clever design of the MaxiCode means it has the ability to be read from different angles, even at high transportation speeds. This saves valuable time. The UPS website gets users to select their country the first time they visit the website. From then on, every time the customer visits the website, they are automatically taken to the appropriate homepage. This helps the customer save time. In the screenshot shown, the homepage has been set for the United Kingdom, and it is evident that everything is organized with a clear layout. What helps customers' decision making is the column on the left, which has various options, such as track, create a shipment, calculate time and cost, etc. The track option allows customers expecting a delivery to enter a specific code, and this will show the status of the delivery. It also allows customers to view their tracking history and find out who is signing for their shipments. The calculate time and cost option enables the customer to get a quote and a list of the latest pickup times. The find locations option allows the customer to find the nearest UPS depot and gives an explanation of what each type of depot offers. This allows customers to make decisions about which type of depot is best tailored to their needs. The site also allows customers to register for My UPS. Here they are able to access tools such as label printing, track their transactions, and calculate the time and cost of their transactions. The UPS website is very competent in providing a good service for customers, and having explored the website extensively, we believe that it aids customers' decision making very well.
We believe the best way to describe the data model behind the dynamic web pages on the UPS website was by producing an entity relationship diagram. As UPS are a large organization with a very complex data model, we have decided to focus our ER diagram solely on the shipping and customer details section. UPS, like many other package delivery companies, use information systems with great depth because of the sheer number of records they keep at any one time. Therefore, it is important for UPS to have a data organized in a coherent and cohesive manner. The shipped items by UPS are organized by item number, weight, dimensions, insurance carrier, delivery date, and its destinations. The diagram shows us the process UPS used to ship items to customers. The shipped items are sent via 3 different types of transport, which are plane, van, or train. This is shown as the type in the ER diagram. Each item has shipping ID, which corresponds with a customer ID, and a package ID to identify the package itself. UPS are able to show how, when, where, and to whom a shipped item is going. UPS has information on all the customers and members. When customers register, they have to provide their full name, postal address, and email address. They are given a unique number which will be their customer ID. The customer ID can be used to quickly identify customers on the information system. As every customer has their own unique customer ID, UPS are able to easily find out information about their customers. The ER diagram shows a one-to-many relationship between the customer info entity and the shipping entity. One customer is able to order many items for shipping. There is also a many-to-many relationship between the shipping details entity and the shipped via relation. You are able to have many items to be shipped by many means of transport such as van, plane, and train. Each customer is charged and given an invoice for what they have ordered from UPS delivery service. Each customer can place many orders, thus making the relationship between the entities one-to-many.
Shown here are the relationships in the database. The 3 tables below show information on the customers, package details, and shipping and billing details. The first query we created, we labeled the customer history query. Customers can navigate on the website to check their customer information. This is useful as they are able to make sure that their customer information is correct. It also makes it easy to change or update their customer information if required, i.e. when moving house, a customer would want to update their address on the website. As you can see here, the customer would want to enter the UPS ID and password to access their information.
Here you input the customer ID to bring up their information. You can see that when doing this, it is matching certain criteria to bring up his or her information. Once the user has inputted the information required, the query will display the customer's information. The SQL statement shows that the information being used in the query is selected from the customer information table. The query uses the customer's name, surname, customer ID to display the information required.
The second SQL query we created is for billing to customers. When a customer places an order, an invoice is sent to them electronically for the customer to keep record of their payments and how much they owe. On the website, you can see an option for the customer to check their invoices and billings. The customer will enter their customer ID and password in the billing section of the website. We want to show the information for a customer. The customer ID in this case is 4. When the query is run, information for the customer will be displayed, showing how much they owe in their invoice. Each customer has their own invoice number for each item they have asked to be delivered. In this case, the customer has to pay $61 for the delivery.
Here we are selecting to display information on the customer ID, surname, and the number of items they have placed with UPS, and how much they are being charged. This information is coming from the customer information table and payment table. A customer of UPS is able to track the items they are expecting. On the website, there is an option for tracking as shown. Again, the customer will input their customer number. When the query is run, it will bring up the relevant information regarding the customer. In this case, the query will display information relevant to the customer with ID 3. In the table, you can see where the delivery is going as well as which company insures the package and its details shown as weight and dimensions. In this case, customer ID 3 has one package being delivered to France and will be delivered by the 19th of the 2nd, 2010. This SQL query is being selected from the customer information table, shipping table, and package table. We are selecting the customer ID and customer address from the customer information table. We are also selecting the weight and dimensions of the item from the package table and also selecting the insurance carrier for the package and the delivery date from the package table.
One improvement we suggested is the integration of mapping software such as Google Maps into the find location part of the website. UPS could integrate maps showing the exact location of each of the depots to provide customers with more information. If customers have this information, it makes their lives easier because they can instantly see the location of each depot on the map. Some customers, especially those with a lot of time constraints, prefer to drop packages off to the depots because it allows for quicker delivery. So by integrating these maps, UPS allow customers to see more precise information about the locations of the different depots. One of UPS's main competitors, FedEx, already make use of maps when giving customers information about their different depots. UPS could integrate this feature as soon as possible in order to keep up and also to meet the needs of their customers more effectively. The screenshot shows the current UPS customer's view when searching for depots. We propose that UPS include maps next to each of these locations. UPS currently do not allow customers to search for locations using postcodes. FedEx already allow customers to do this, and it makes customers' lives easier and helps save time. UPS need to implement this feature because a lot of customers would prefer to search by postcode. Searching by postcode gives more precise results and gives customers a better idea of exactly how far the nearest depot is from their house.